Okay, I'm here and now I'm almost done. I finished with my crown. I just painted. I did some spikes right here. Almost done, and I'm just have one more to go. I will do it right now. I love the color. It came out with all those mix that we did, guys. I just really like the color. I think it's very similar of the color of the real color of the Statue of Liberty. So now I have my 7 spikes painted and I have my crown. I'm gonna put it on the side and I'm gonna start painting my torch. So with the same color that we just have, this one, the greenish, I'm gonna do the torch. So I'm gonna grab the roll of the toilet paper and I'm gonna start painting. This is gonna be my torch. Paint. Very careful that I don't miss any spot so it looks all even, the color. Uh-oh, my brush is losing some hair. It's all right. Just have to remove them very careful and take it out. Bye. See you later, alligators. There you go. And I will continue doing my torch. This roll, it's gonna become our torch. Okay, I'm almost done, and when I finish with this, then we're gonna jump and do our flames. Meanwhile, all this is gonna get dry. Now that it's even warmer than before, it's gonna be faster. So just let me remove this tiny hair off the brush, put it here, and continue painting. Very good. So this is the way it's gonna look. Nice. I'm gonna put it on the side on top of the paper towel and I'm gonna let it dry. Now, so we're gonna need to use another container, or we can just pause the video and go wash it off, wash my brush, and then reuse it. I have another one, so I'm gonna use another one so I don't have to go and go and wash it. So I have another one. Now I'm gonna do the color of the flames. So flames, basically it's fire. So what's the color of fire? It's kind of like orange, or more, sometimes more red, or sometimes more on the side of yellow. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna mix. I love to mix. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of red on my container, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of yellow, both colors. If you mix these two colors, you're gonna have orange. That's the magic of mixing colors. So let me clean this, and now I'm gonna mix until I get the color that I wanted. I want a very bright color, so I think this one would be nice. Probably a little bit more of yellow I'm gonna pour, so it will look more orange than red. The more yellow you put, the more orange it will look like. So very good. I think this is the right color. I like, not the right color, because there's no wrong or right. It's just the color that you like. I like this color. So what are we gonna do? It's we're gonna grab our brush and we're gonna start doing our flames. So same thing, we're gonna paint. This one, if you don't do it perfect, that's fine, because you know what, it's gonna look like fire, and fire doesn't look only on one, doesn't show only that one color. Looks like, you know, different colors, meaning like different tones of red, different tones of yellow, different tone of orange. I'm gonna put it here on the side so I don't mix it with the other ones. We have to let them dry. They're almost dried. Okay, so let me do this very fast. You take your time. I'm just doing it fast because I want to show you the end of the craft, the project that we're having right here. I have two. Maybe we're not gonna use all the flames, but if we don't use them, that's fine. We remember, we put it on a little plastic bag and we save them. Probably we can use it next craft. We always keep it because it's fine. We can recycle all the time. So I have 3 right here. I'm gonna do one more and I'm gonna paint it. You can paint it in both sides, one side and 2 sides, but you have to let it dry on one side and then do the other one. Otherwise it's gonna get ruined in both sides, because we have to let them dry and then we can do the other side. So let me do this one, which is my last one. And now that we're finished with the flames, we are going to put together our crown. So I'm gonna put this on the side. I don't wanna, you know, paint something else. So I'm gonna move this little paper right there. I'm gonna just wipe off my hands because I don't want to go downstairs and wash them, you know, and you guys are here waiting for me. That's not nice. But you guys can go and just put pause in the video and wash your hands very carefully, that I don't have any more fresh paint. I'm gonna start doing my crown. Look at this. Wow, I love it. Okay, so we're almost done, guys. Let's go. Chop chop. So what are we gonna do is, if you have glue, you can use the glue. If you don't have glue, you can use the tape, or either way. So what are we gonna do is, on the back, actually, let me see, I think on the front, on the back, it's gonna look better. On the back, we're gonna paste our spikes. So we're gonna put a little bit of glue in the bottom. I did it right here, and we're gonna paste it on the back right there. You see? Very good. We're gonna press. This is already dry. I'm telling you guys, it's getting warm. It's getting warm. Now I'm gonna do the second one. I'm gonna put some more glue. It doesn't need to be on a specific order. You just put them whatever you wanted, but try to spread them so all the crown is covered with the spikes. Right there, very good. Gonna do another one right here, and we're almost done. So right there, can you see what I'm doing? So you can do the same. Very good. So let's try to put enough glue so they don't fall down. And if you have glue and you have tape, just to make it more secure, what we can do is put the glue first, glue them to the crown, and then put some tape on the back just to hold them, just to make sure that they're gonna stay right there. So this is what we can do right there. Very good. I'm gonna finish doing this and I will come back to show you how it looks. Give me a second and I'll be right back.